Everybody, guess what? Hey, can you please cover my ears when you do this? Can you please cover my ears when I do this?
Well, how can I do it? Who's pushing the button?
I am for the fire.
Okay.
Anyways,
All right.
my dad's gonna cover my ears because. Can you do it?
I'll wait till you're ready to push.
This is gonna be a false alarm. Even though, wait, let's turn this off. Not ready. Okay.
Phone.
It's set to not ready. So, just so, we done. So when
I got a phone.
So like, and this is like
Good idea.
a secure pod. So when we don't hear the alarm so loud, we're gonna press fire, police, and hospital. Aaron, where are you going now? Anyways, let's show you our alarm that we're gonna be messing with tonight. Look at that thing. We have one downstairs in the basement and one upstairs. It's weird because, well, anyways, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna press fire. Aaron's gonna press police and stuff. All right. So, that says not ready. They should not call. Our mom's out there. She better not yell at us. Here's our operating instructions. All right, Dad, can you please cover my ears now?
Oh, let Aaron, he can. It's right behind you.
I don't want.
Can you?
Oh, you're going to cover your own ears. Okay.
All right.
That's good.
All right. Let's press it.
We have to hold it.
Wait, stop! Don't!
What?
Alright? Alright, I turned it off. Alright.
Wow, guys, that was awesome.
Alright.
That was awesome.
Now, do I do these things different? Now, you will... No. Alright. Now. I didn't think I turned it off. Alright, now. Wait. Now what you're going to do is press police. I need to turn it off. And if it wants to. Alright, just press for police.
Why?
That's your alarm. Press it. Now it's continuous. Hang on. That's not saying. All right, I'll turn it off. Turn it off. Press it. It's not. When's it gonna turn off? There we go. Alright. Alright. Now we're gonna press hospital. It's not gonna. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is press hospital. It's not gonna. It's gonna set off that one, but it's not gonna set off any other alarm.
Alright. Let's see if it.
I'll press it. Alright. It's. Alright. Let's press.
Don't do it.
Well, it's not working.
It's not gonna work for that.
Stop it, Evan.
Sugar, there's sugar in there. What's in here, maybe? Is it in here? No. Well, you got a bag of sugar right there. This is our flour.
It's not ready to arm, and plus it's disconnected. So how can we? All right. Well then, that was our alarms. This is for entertainment. This was for entertainment purposes only.
Mom, pick these up.
Okay.
You guys had a chance.
Never attempt this, and never attempt it. Your system must be off. It should say not ready, and it must be off.
Alright.
Alright, everybody. This was. I did it the wrong side. Alright, never do this.
Alright, everybody.
Unless
This was for
you have-
entertainment purposes only.